my dear friends and followers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we're gonna work with you with MACD indicator. I will remember you 2 steps how you should open your deals. My amount is always $100. Here we have 2 bottoms. Higher is for call option, lower is for put option. So we are waiting for the intersection as we see it right here. So I just opened $100 for a put option because we see the intersection and the direction of these 2 lines step by step slowly falls down, and that means that you have to open put option. Vice versa, when you see the intersection of these 2 lines, green and red line, and these 2 lines are growing up, actually the direction is growing up step by step. For example, like here, it means that the market soon will grow up, and you have to open higher bottom. It means for a call option. Expiration time lasts 30 seconds, and these 30 seconds you have the opportunity to open new option bottom if you have your own desire and opportunities. Why not? So 10 seconds left. Come on, the market grew up just a little, but I hope that it fell down. We still have 5 seconds, so please come on. And unfortunately I have lost right now, but I don't want to be upset. In case of loss, each trader has to know that we need to open next deal 2 times and how bigger than the previous one, because we need not only to change our situation, but we need to earn some money. So 250, and I am waiting for the intersection. My personal tip for you: try to open your stakes as close to the expiration timeline. It gives you more chances to get successful profit. So I will wait just a few seconds. I don't want to make fast decisions. Try to stay cold-blooded, full of energy, calm, and step by step go to your successful profit. So purchase time 30 seconds left, so I'm waiting for the intersection. That is good moment. And okay, here is the intersection 250. I've opened for call option. This is higher bottom, and I hope that the market will be growing up step by step, and I will cover that I lost and earn. $222, and that is how you can work with MACD indicators. So I've covered that I lost and I've earned. That is all for now. That actually are basic principles how you can work with MACD indicators. So thank you for your attention. I'm waiting for your likes, shares, for your comments. Is it good to work with MACD or not? Maybe you advise me your personal and favorite indicator, and the next video will be about it. So see you on the next time. Bye.